Hello everyone, once again it's time for biology. We are dealing with the human biology, and now today we have to see the cells. Last time actually I gave you the details of the notes about the cells. Today we have to see actually from the real pictures of the cells. Now, like in this case, you can see these two cells, and these two cells are actually the cells that we are going to learn today, and you can read the parts. They have a lot of parts. Now, so you can see these two different cells. We have the plant cell and also the animal cell. Then there you will read the parts of the cells. You see that they have things in common, and you can also see that the structure of these two cells. The animal cell down here is actually roundish, while this plant cell, you can see it the way it looks like. Now, you see that it is actually showing some differences with the animal cell. Now, from there, you see that a plant cell has a cell wall, chloroplast, vacuole. These are the parts which are existing in the plant cell only. Therefore, it means an animal cell doesn't have the mentioned parts. So very carefully, you should actually go through the parts of the cells. Now, so secondly there, we have to see the functions of the parts of the cell. Then there we have ribosomes. You actually read we call them ribosomes. Then vacuole, mitochondria, and chloroplast. Then you go this other side. You also see the diagrams the way they look like. Now, so from there you read the functions. Then you go here. We have ribosomes now. Then endoplasmic reticulum. Then you should actually read and see the functions of these parts of the cells. Then you actually summarize for me as actually I told you the way we do summaries. Then here you see the nuclear, the way it looks like now. So then you will actually go for the passage of the nuclear. And I'll also send you these photos on the forum on WhatsApp so that you should also use them. Then here, comparing the cell to a factory according to their functions, comparing the cells. Now, so you see the way the cells actually look like. Now, this is how they look like when you use a microscope. Now, so just in summary, I told you that the nuclear, they control the cell activities, while the chloroplast in the plant cell, they actually absorb sunlight, while the vacuole, they store sugars and salts, which are called the cell sap. Now, so the ribosomes, they actually manufacture proteins. Then actually by yourself try to summarize for me the functions of the parts of the cells according to the pictures here. You should actually use the information which is on the pictures here. So use it actually to summarize the functions of the cells. And these pictures I will actually send you again on the WhatsApp forum so that you can actually see them again in order for you to use. Now, so you see different functions of these cells. Now, so then you should actually start from here. You should actually tell me you should summarize the functions of the parts of the cells. We are going to get the summaries, the information you get from these pages. Now you will be getting from these pages. Here you are going to summarize what are the functions of the nuclear, and the way they look like. From here, you also go to another part. You also summarize these parts of the cells, just like in 3 sentences or 4 sentences, that's all, provided you have to write the functions and the way they look like, the characteristics from the passage. Now, then you also go to this other part where you also summarize about the nuclear as well. Thank you very much. This is what you have to do. Thank you. When you have summarized, you have to send me on the WhatsApp so that I can mark you. Send the summaries of the parts of the cells which are already in the pages here. So write the functions of these parts of the cells, then you send me on the WhatsApp. You write the summaries. Thank you very much.